Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And you guys know that we have been working with Google Ads suspension, audit, setup management, disapproval. So yeah, I'm here with a new case study regarding unreliable claims by Google Ads. So let's get started on the case study I have. So this was came from the client. Like unreliable claim issue was over there. So first of all, let me show you the ads. Then we can discuss more on what happens exactly, and then we can figure it out on what we did to sort it out. So this was uh, it was sent by them. They showed us 4 disapproved ads, and all ads have unreliable claim on them. So you can see over here unreliable claim over here. Let me show you another ad. You can see clearly over here as well that the site is regarding the weight loss exercise, and I will show you the website as well and how we sorted out this as well. So you can see over here online personal training, weight loss training program, and again unreliable claim is over there. So I can understand that there is an issue with someone who is running an ad and suddenly this unreliable claims error. So this is their website. As there was a newsletter over here, and if you scroll below, you can see over here. This is the 75 hard mystery program, mastery programs, 8 years full body transformation challenge, slim workout, services, one-on-one services, online training, glucose program, weight loss programs, and some of the client testimonials over there as well, their feedback. So it's a kind of a weight loss program, and feedback. So what we did was, when they hired us to look around this was provided by them, and they said that they are targeting USA and Canada, and the issue they ads I'm trying to run keep getting disapproved for unreliable claims. I try editing the ads and I cannot seem to edit them to fix the issue of unreliable claim. Usually what happens is whenever you see an unreliable claim happens, it's actually a website being blocked. So whatever ad you will create, it will simultaneously be disapproved for the same reason. So we have to manually get them restored. So they also shared some of the competitors. So let's have a look on one of the competitors as well, just for the learning purpose. And this one as well, and this one as well. So now we have 3 over here. So this is one of the one-on-one by training by another guy over here. This is the landing page, and because they were running successfully. So he was like, why my ads are not being approved, and if they are running very well. So I think this is an issue with the competitor. But okay, so what we did was, we thoroughly investigated. We have a 170 plus steps audit checklist which we use for Google Merchant Center, Google Account Suspension, Google Ads Disapproval. So we similarly used it, and simultaneously we also had a discussion with our Google manager to sort out. Okay, so there were a few things which we figured out, which we thought that should be added on the website. Okay, number one was, when we were saying guaranteed results, Google says that whatever you say, you need to back up with a third party claim or scientific evidence. So what we did was we added them that rather saying the guaranteed result, you should say that the people have used and this is their experience, or so something like that. So to avoid misleading claim over there. Second thing was tailored nutrition plan. While personalized nutrition plans can be beneficial, claiming that a plan is tailored to a specific goal may be overgeneralized. So, in case if you're providing some tailored one, that was okay. But in case if you're giving the same nutrition plan, that is questionable. Now you are saying that no equipment needed. Okay, program like glute program that claims actually needed either equipment or a calorie deficit. So we thought that that should be added along with your body exercises, which needs to be you are showing. Some similar changes were regarding body full body transformation claims, accelerated results, expert guidance. Some on weight loss, because Google is now very cautious with whatever you are gonna run with a weight loss company, and your account may be suspended or your ads may be disapproved. So you need to be very cautious with this. So we suggested some changes on the wording content, because that is is a very important thing. Some testimonials, disclaimers, some UI UX changes as well. So we suggested. So what happened was, along with that, simultaneously we were in discussion with Google regarding to get them sorted. So once we did was, the first news was that we got it approved on one of our test accounts. So when we got it approved in a test account, So what we did was we informed the client that we got it sorted, and then we uploaded on their website as well. So I'm going to show you as well by refreshing in front of you. The account number is customer ID is the same as I have shown over here as well. So I'm going to show you the website as well. Now you can see that although they have started getting impressions as well, and if I scroll below, you can see that the account policy reviews is approved and the impressions in progress. Okay, so I'm going to show you that the ad is approved. There is no more error for unreliable claim. So what we did was we didn't got it renewed through the appealing over here, but we got it manually restored, manually approved through the discussion with our Google dedicated manager to get it back up and running. So yeah, this was a quick fix for our client, and our client was very happy to got it fixed. So yeah, in case if you're looking for a professional regarding Google Ads, disapproval for unreliable claim, unwanted software, malicious or circumventing system, compromised site, or any other issue, even misleading representation, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through one of the link in the description. We also work with Google Audit, setup, and management services as well. So, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.